Are you tired of playing hide and seek with dust bunnies and pet fur? Fear not, fellow cleanliness crusaders. We're diving into the world of Dyson Vacuums, those high-tech futuristic machines that practically do the cleaning for you. Whether you're seeking a cordless wonder for quick cleanups or a robust beast to tackle the messiest of rooms, we've got you covered. Buckle up as we explore the best Dyson vacuums that will leave your home spotless and your sanity intact. All product links are waiting for you in the description below. Want a deeper dive? Check out our website, TopPicksNow.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell so you never miss our latest picks. Let's jump into it! Number 5. Dyson 5.8 Plus, our pick for best budget Dyson vacuum. Are you on the hunt for a vacuum that doesn't just suck up dirt, but also brings a little joy to your cleaning routine? Meet the Dyson V8 Plus, the budget-friendly powerhouse that proves you don't need to empty your wallet to keep your home pristine. Weighing in at a mere 5.6 pounds, this lightweight champ makes cleaning feel like a breeze rather than a chore. With up to 40 minutes of fade-free suction, you can power through your cleaning tasks without swapping batteries like a game of musical chairs. Need extra oomph? Switch to max mode and watch it demolish dirt faster than you can say, "Where did all this dust come from?" Equipped with the motor bar cleaner head, this vacuum doesn't just clean, it knows how to tango with all floor types, detangling long hair and pesky pet fur like an expert hairdresser. And when the mess shifts to tighter spaces like your car or those stairs that always seem to gather crumbs, simply convert it to handheld mode. With its high-tech, high-efficiency particulate air filtration that traps 99.99% of particles down to 0.3 microns, the Dyson V8 Plus ensures the air you breathe is as clean as your floors. Plus, you get 4 handy accessories that make cleaning feel less like a chore and more like an adventure. Say goodbye to your old vacuum and hello to the cleaning sidekick you've always needed. Number 4. Dyson Car and Boat, our pick for best handheld Dyson vacuum. Are you tired of battling dust bunnies and rogue crumbs in your car and boat? Enter the Dyson Car and Boat handheld vacuum, your new sidekick in the fight against dirt. This powerful little dynamo is not just any vacuum, it's the most powerful handheld vacuum in its class. With up to 50 minutes of fade-free suction power, think of it as your trusty steed in the quest for a spotless ride. You'll love the 2 power modes that tackle everything from pesky pet hair to those elusive allergens lurking in your upholstery. The mini motorized tool has deep cleaning capabilities that'll make even the toughest messes quiver in fear. Switching from deep cleaning to gentle dusting is a breeze with the combination tool. One moment you're wielding a wide nozzle that devours every crumb, and the next you're delicately brushing off the dust like a pro. And let's not forget the crevice tool, designed to squeeze into those tight, awkward spots. No corners too small. It reaches up to 7 inches into spaces you thought were hopelessly neglected. Plus, with advanced whole machine filtration, you can breathe easy knowing that 99.99% of tiny particles get trapped, leaving nothing but fresh air behind. Say goodbye to dirt and hello to a cleaner, happier you. Still on the hunt for that ideal Dyson vacuum? No worries, more gems are coming up. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe and tap the bell to stay in the loop. New videos are always around the corner. Number 3. Dyson Ball Animal 3, our pick for best upright Dyson vacuum. Are you tired of battling pet hair and dust bunnies in your home? Meet the Dyson Ball Animal 3, the heavyweight champion of upright vacuums. This marvel isn't just a vacuum, it's your secret weapon in the never-ending fight against dirt and pet fur. With the detangling motor bar cleaner head, say goodbye to those hair-raising moments when pet hair clogs up your brush. This vacuum does the hard work for you, automatically clearing away tangled strands as you glide effortlessly across your floors. Thanks to its innovative ball technology, navigating around furniture feels like a breeze, just a flick of your wrist, and voila, you're on your way to a spotless home. You'll appreciate the 3 cleaning modes tailored for all your unique messes, because let's be honest, sometimes life gets messy. Whether you're tackling a snack explosion in the kitchen or cleaning up after your furry friend, this vacuum is built for larger homes with pets. No mess is too big. Worried about allergens? Dyson's advanced whole machine filtration captures those pesky particles, ensuring they stay trapped inside, not dancing around in the air you breathe. Plus, with handy accessories like the stair and combination tools, you're fully armed for every corner of your kingdom. So why settle for less when you can have the best? Step up your cleaning game with the Dyson Ball Animal 3 and reclaim your home today. Number 2. Dyson Gen 5 Detect, our pick for best upgrade Dyson vacuum. Are you ready to revolutionize your cleaning game with the Dyson Gen 5 Detect? This isn't just any vacuum, it's Dyson's most powerful cordless vacuum. With over 115% more power and a staggering runtime of up to 70 minutes, you'll be tackling messes like a cleaning superhero. You'll appreciate the power button that lets you control continuous cleaning, because who doesn't want to feel like they're in command? And let's talk about the intelligent adaptability. This vacuum adjusts its power based on debris and floor type, giving you a personal cleaning assistant that knows what's what. The LCD screen isn't just for show, it provides a real-time summary of your cleaning feats, including how much dust you've conquered. Talk about motivation. But the real star of the show is Dyson's improved illumination technology, revealing double the invisible dust lurking on your hard floors. Those sneaky particles will quiver in fear as your fluffy optic cleaner head zooms in, while the digital motor bar tackles every floor type and effortlessly detangles those long hairs that always seem to haunt your cleaning endeavors. With advanced whole machine high-efficiency particulate air filtration trapping 99.99% of particles, you can breathe easy, knowing you're not just cleaning, but truly elevating your home's air quality. Ready to embrace the ultimate upgrade? The Dyson Gen 5 Detect awaits. Before we reveal our top pick, take a look at the links in the description for the most up-to-date deals. If you're enjoying this content, hit subscribe and stay informed on the best products on the market. Number 1. Dyson 515. Detect Plus, our pick for best Dyson vacuum overall. Are you ready to revolutionize your cleaning routine? Meet the Dyson V15 Detect Plus, the gadget you didn't know you desperately needed. This isn't just a vacuum, it's your new cleaning sidekick, equipped with illumination technology that reveals hidden dust like a superhero in a spotlight. With an impressive runtime of up to 60 minutes, you'll have plenty of time to conquer every nook and cranny of your home. The best part? Its power trigger only uses juice when you need it, so no more draining the battery on air. As you glide across various surfaces, the Dyson smartly adapts its power depending on what it encounters, like a chameleon, but a lot more helpful. Plus that fancy LCD screen. It tells you exactly what you've picked up, power mode you're in, and even maintenance alerts. Talk about an overachiever! Equipped with not one, but 2 advanced cleaner heads, this vacuum tackles everything from gentle hardwood to rambunctious carpets, easily sucking up long hair and pesky pet fur without breaking a sweat. And let's not forget the stellar accessories. You've got a mini dusting brush, crevice tool, and a hairscrew tool that's practically magic for pet owners. With 99.99% of particles trapped, the air expelled is cleaner than the air you started with. Get ready to fall in love with cleaning, because the Dyson V15 Detect Plus makes it downright fun. And that's a wrap. If you had half as much fun watching our list of best Dyson vacuums as we did putting it together, hit that like button and show some love with a subscribe. Thinking of picking one? Tell us which in the comments. Which product had you saying, "I need this"? Thanks for hanging out. See you in the next one.